What?
You can't record this part, just over there.
Why can't I record over here?
Oh man, I'm just.
No, I'm just asking. You said
I'm just gonna close down, sir. I
No.
don't want to deal with this.
No, ma'am, hold on.
It's okay. I'm just.
Hold on. I have business here, ma'am.
Okay.
Don't close. Don't close it. You're gonna hit me in the head with this?
Please scoot over there.
You're gonna hit me in the head?
Please scoot over there.
Don't hit me in the head.
Scoot over there.
You're gonna hit me with this?
Please scoot over there.
Are you closed?
Yes, I'm closed now.
No, you're not. You're still open. It's not fine.
Go record over there, please.
I can record here.
Please go record over there.
I can record here.
What's your name?
Who are you? You work for the post office, right?
No, I don't actually.
Okay, then who do you work for?
Please go.
Are you allowed to be back there if you don't work here?
Yes, actually.
So I can come back there too then?
Hey, you're hitting me you're literally hitting me in the head with this. Please. I'm leaning on the counter here. Stop.
Damn.
She's hitting literally she just hit the panic button. Why are you hitting the panic button? This is unreal. She just hit the panic button.
Are y'all selling something?
Look, these guys, they have post office
What you want to buy?
They have post office business.
Get out of the way.
Look at this.
You're gonna do business in a closed when they closed it?
Y'all,
Hey,
shoot.
no, you shoot. I'm trying to talk to the lady in here. She's acting real crazy. You didn't see what she did earlier. She tried to shut the damn thing on my head.
She told us she don't even work here.
She's crazy.
Do you know the police department's right there?
What about it?
I'll get them.
Get them.
Go.
You get them.
What would be the charge?
Look, I'm here at the
What
post
charge
office
are we
just like
talking
you.
here?
I'm trying to conduct business.
Are you doing mail?
I'm trying to, but she didn't want to talk to me.
I need to do this. I don't care what they're doing. Get these guys out of here.
Ma'am, you're okay to be here. Why? What's going on,
Well,
guys?
she won't open it while they're here.
Okay.
Hey, is Dumas in?
No, Dumas is not here.
Oh, is it Dumas?
Dumas.
Okay.
Officer Dumas.
Do you know if there's any disciplinary action that was taken on
The
Dumas?
cops here open it.
Not that I do not know about what is that.
You heard what he said about Jack Miller, did you?
601. You guys, I don't have my body camera on them. No.
But
Come on, I
you know what I'm
gotta
talking
go.
about? When he was making those statements about Jack Miller, he said.
Lady, the policeman is
No,
out here
no,
talking to
Jack
these
Miller?
guys. Let me do my business here.
But he wasn't fired.
Okay, I do not know.
With all due respect, that woman says she
He
does
was
not
saying
work
that he was
here.
fired.
Okay, I mean, you have to take that up with that officer.
Why would he say he was fired?
I can't speak for another officer.
Have you ever said he was fired?
No.
Have you worked with the guy?
Who? Jack Miller?
Yeah.
No.
Okay. Do you know that he used to be in law enforcement in Bear County?
I do know.
Okay. So, but he wasn't fired, right?
I
You don't know either or.
don't either or.
Yeah, he wasn't fired. But anyway,
Okay.
Dumas was saying that he was fired, and there was a complaint filed, and I was just curious what actions were taken.
I do not know, but y'all can feel free to go up and request. Ma'am, 1 second. I'll get her to open that up in just 1 second, okay? Can you hang tight for me for 1 second?
Yeah, sure.
This Officer Smith, can you open up?
Not without a warrant.
Hey, it's Officer Smith.
I just need to put this in the box. I don't even really need her.
Okay, I'll grab it for you. Hey,
Thank you.
Rough life, ain't it? So bad.
Is there anything? Oh, do you need to talk to her too?
Yeah, I can make it.
Are you dropping off? Okay, I'll grab it.
No, pero necesito pagar.
Oh, okay. Oh, you want to learn Spanish? Maybe she might. Can I talk to you guys outside so the post office can open up and everything?
No.
It's just recording and stuff. That she doesn't
I mean,
like.
we can step over here, but we.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, what's on here, guys?
We just got in here, man.
No worries, no worries.
We want to be able to go all over and check out the facility here.
Okay. Well, you're free. Feel free to whatever you need to record or check out.
So are these just older patches, or are these just different ones you have?
These are the ones we have. This
Okay.
is going to be for canine. This is our normal patch, honor guard. These are our subdued patches, and these are our for October.
All right. Yeah. Is the chief in?
I believe he's in his office.
Can you see if he wants to talk? Just
Okay.
ask him if he wants.
Who are y'all with?
Just Patrick.
Just Pat.
Yeah, I'm Jack Miller's friend. Just tell him I'm Jack
Okay.
Miller's friend.
Give me 1 second.
So am I next? Am I next?
Hey, it's illegal for you to be back here.
Hey, stop! Hey, stop that! Don't assault that man!
I was needing to.
Don't assault that man! What in the world?
I don't know how this process
You're
works.
opening a door you're not supposed to be into.
I didn't touch any door.
Did y'all open it?
I just came over here and she was
I need to
assaulting
get an
me.
envelope. I'm here for business.
You're not here for business.
I am.
What kind of business?
I said I need an envelope. I need to write a letter.
Did you try to open the door?
No.
You didn't try to open the door.
Uh-uh.
So how did it open?
She opened. She came to the door.
She came to the door and opened it.
Okay.
I asked her if I was next, and she didn't say no. Like I don't.
Okay, well, hang tight. Can you please stop bothering the post office lady right now? Y'all are recording and she doesn't want to.
So how do I get an envelope at the post office? I don't understand because it says you guys are open till 4.
Well, right now, she's closed.
So the post office is closed.
Right now, yes.
Yeah, I just don't understand how I'm supposed to mail my letter when.
I don't control the post office. I'm a police officer. That's the post office.
Okay.
There's two different.
I guess they.
I'm a lieutenant.
I guess I'm being denied service.
All right. You're right, I guess.
What is going on?
I don't know.
I've never seen anything like this. You come in. They only trouble for.
My lieutenant's right here.
Oh, cool. You got it charged up, Ben?
It was in my unit because I was
Yeah.
working on a report.
How's it going, LT?
Yeah, what are y'all up to?
Yeah, I'm doing all right. So I guess they called me. How's it going? Hey, I wanted to ask you, are you the supervisor for Dumas? Okay. Was there any disciplinary actions that were taken?
Can't talk about disciplinary actions unless you are the complainant, the person
Yeah.
that.
Do you remember
that
when he was
did-
talking about Jack Miller saying he was fired and talking about Jack and all that?
I remember all of that.
Did anything happen? Did he
I'm
get,
not allowed to talk about
Why not?
the people because you're not Jack Miller.
okay?
And this is disciplinary.
Did something happen?
I'm not allowed to talk about it.
Okay, but why would he say something like that?
I'm not allowed to talk about it.
Well, I'm just trying to understand, like, why would he say that about Jack?
Okay. Do y'all have any other questions for me?
Yeah. That's why I called the LT. Was he fired?
Not allowed to talk about disciplinary actions. of
No,
other people.
not
I
about
can-
that. But was he fired?
I can talk. No, I can talk.
So he wasn't fired?
No, I
Then
can
why would he
talk
say
about-
he was fired?
Y'all have a good day.
That's what he said.
Thank you.
Sir, hold on. Wait. I still have a few questions, sir.
You
Lieutenant,
keep
please.
asking me the same question.
I know,
keep
I know,
giving
I
you
know,
the
I
same
know.
answer.
But he said he was fired. And you said he wasn't fired. So
Who
why
said
would
he
he
was
say
fired?
Dumas?
There was an
Dumas
officer
said
apparently
he was
slandering
No.
his name.
No,
Yeah.
he wasn't fired.
Okay, he wasn't fired.
He
but
doesn't
why?
work here anymore. He works for another agency.
Dumas does?
Mhm.
Okay, so Dumas was fired?
He was not fired from here. He quit.
Oh, he quit. Oh,
Not
okay.
as a result of anything.
Was it
It
around
wasn't
the
a
time
result
he
of
said
any
about- he was
type of
talking about
disciplinary
Jack?
or
Mhm.
potential
So he-
firing. He
But you
resigned.
told me he wasn't working right now. Here.
He's not working
here right now.
I
So
just
he was,
said that.
So he's gone. He's
He
not.
wasn't fired.
Okay, but he. Okay.
Doesn't work here anymore.
Okay. So how do we go about getting information on what happened to him about what he was saying about Jack?
You can make an open records request and see if we can release it to you.
Going
But
back.
was there like any result on what he said, or?
Yeah, there was. It's between Jack Miller, the police department, and Mark Dumas.
So was he forced to resign, but he wasn't fired?
No, he wasn't forced to resign.
But was Jack
was
Miller
not
fired? Was Jack Miller
I
fired?
have no idea where Jack.
Did he give any reason as to why he quit
Who?
that you know of? Dumas?
No,
He didn't give a reason?
No.
All right.
It was right around the same time, so I'm assuming he just
it's not around the same time.
he resigned. He was forced to resign.
He was not forced to
If
resign.
he was, man, look, it's cool. That is awesome.
He was not forced to resign.
I get it, man.
I'm just saying he doesn't work here anymore.
That's what I'm getting from what you're telling me.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm telling you. It's not work. It doesn't work here.
Right around the same time he's talking shit about Jack Miller.
No.
Yeah.
So he must have quit here recently then.
Yes.
Where do you know where he's working now?
No, I don't.
Okay. All right. So anyway, I just wanted to know if you could tell me anything about what
I
he
can't
did.
tell anything about any disciplinary action on any police officer unless you're the person who made the complaint. And this is everywhere. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Unless you're the person who made the complaint.
Or I did a
It wouldn't
records
be- it wouldn't
request.
be- Or you did a record
Yeah.
request. It wouldn't be right for me to,
Is
talk
it
about
public
disciplinary.
information? I don't know. I don't know.
You can try and find out.
Would they give it to me?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm not the public information person. That goes through our city secretary.
Uh-huh.
Her name is Rachel Dominguez.
I'll put a request in.
All records requests for police agencies or the city secretary.
Can I get one of those for the PD? I'll put it in right now. I'll just fill it out and then
Get
I'll,
what?
a records form with this police department.
Now, you'd have to contact the city secretary and do a.
For police records?
It's a personnel record.
Personnel? Okay, so I gotta
Police
contact.
records would
Do you have
be
a,
like
do you have a
crash
card or a
reports
number for her?
and stuff like that.
Do you have a card or a number, or where do I go to
I
talk to
would just go
her?
to the website and look for the city secretary.
Where is she at? Is she in this building?
Mhm.
Where's she, in the front?
Mhm.
On the left or the right side? And what was her name?
Ask for the city secretary.
City Secretary, I appreciate it, man. Thank you,
No problem.
Lieutenant.
All right.
Okay, have a good day.
You too, man.
Okay, I couldn't hear you because all this glass. What'd you say?
She's not in the office today. She should be here tomorrow.
Okay, is this where you go to do a records request? I need to do that.
Okay, let me get you a form.
Appreciate it.
You can use this form,
Hey, what's
or
up?
you can even do it online as well.
You can go
Oh, you
ahead
can do it
there.
online?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just do that. It's easier.
Yeah, and then that way it's submitted automatically.
All right, thank you. All right, let's go ahead and let's bounce. You want to go back this way? It's easier.
Hang on a second.
You can do the